demographic imbalance between those nations south of the Rio Grande and the two nations north of it. So predicts Thomas Merrick, president of the Population Reference Bureau in Washington, D.C. In his new study, Population Pressures in Latin America, Merrick points out that in 1950, the population of Latin America was 165 million. 1 million less than the combined population of the United States and Canada. By 1985, however, the Latin American population was more than 1.5 times as large as that of the U.S. and Canada. 405 million versus 264 million. By 225, and that's what he wrote in 1986.
Yeah.
And he's saying by 2025, the Latin population could be more than twice as large as ours. 779 million versus 345, according to the current United Nations projections. The number of persons entry-level ages 15 to 24 in the Latin American labor force will grow by 22 million versus 19, between 90 and the year 2000. Grow by 22 million. Age 15 to 24.
Yeah.
More than 8 million of that increase will take place in Mexico and the 6 Central American countries closest to the United States. By the year 2000, Latin America is expected to have more than 50 cities with populations more than 1 million. 50 cities. The surge of Americans across our 2,000-mile southern border will be inevitable and inexorable. Talk about a prediction.
Is it right?
Huh?
Is it right?
Is it right? Well, you've heard about it for the last 5 years about all the certain people coming across.
No, I mean, how many are in Mexico now?
The population of Mexico? I don't know.
Let me see.
Well, probably over 100 million. This is not talking just about Mexico. It's talking about all the countries.
Yeah, I know.
South of the border. Mexico included. And Mexico probably is one of the biggest area where they come from. But it's still coming from the Central American, the countries around where the Panama Canal goes through there.
Yeah, okay. Guatemala.
They're got lots of trouble. And,
Lola!
but it's the population surge.
What are you doing?
And they're mostly Roman Catholics.
Yeah.
Usually then multiplying.
Yes. There you go.
But to point out that back in the 50s, the population of North America compared to all areas south of the border, the populations were pretty well equal. But due to population surge, and we've got to have, each woman's got to have at least 6 children, preferably 10. Well, God said so.
Yes.
As prescribed by your local priest, who interprets what God said.
Yes.
He's got a direct wire.
Yes.
That's the beauty of the Catholic Church. They have that direct line to God.
Yes. So how are you going to know what the temperature is outside?
Well, that one in there.
Oh, that one does
In
outside?
fact, 2.
Oh, okay.
The one on the telephone, there's one on that telephone at my headboard there.
Okay.
So I have an excess of outside records. Say it's the rest of the house has cooled off to about 70 degrees down here.
Oh.
But as it points out there, it's still over 80 in that bedroom. Of course, it doesn't the window was shut.
Oh. Oh.
That's the big help of the coolness down below here is overnight is being able to suck in all that cool,
Yeah.
relatively cool air.
Yeah.
So you can have a head start
Yeah.
for the coming day.
Yes.
But
God,
it's
supposed to be like this another week.
huh?
It's supposed to be hot like this for another
Yes,
week.
that's what I noticed on
God.
the computer. It's well, I guess it's better than what they've gotten used to.
Yes. Or dry.
Take your choice.
Yes, take your pick. God. Ugh.